welcome back to the channel, good friends. I ordered some towels. I didn't need a whole bunch. I needed some to level coatings, wipe off sealants, clean glass, do some other odds and ends. So I didn't need to order the whole line of towels, but I did pick up some towels from Clean by Pan, the organizer. I thought I would share my experience with them. Haven't even taken them out of the package yet. Not a sponsored video. I don't give a shit if you buy them or don't. I just want to share my experience and tell you what I think about them. Now, again, these aren't all of them. I picked up the level 1 and the Mr. Twister, and that should take care of what I need for working on this vehicle. I do have some other towels in the back that'll take care of the other jobs. He also has, besides what I picked up here, a drying towel, a rinseless drying towel, a wash mitt. The Mr. Twister is what I have here. The Freebird 400, the Jobber 350, level 1, which is what I have here. And I'll explain what these two are, what they can do. They can do a lot more than what is explained on the site and on the package itself. Final level, and then also a synthetic clay towel. So a lot to choose from. I didn't need all of them. I'll share my experience with what I did pick up. The Mr. Twister is a 600 GSM 16 by 16 towel. It is a 70-30 blend, twisted loop, suede border. You could use it, it's mentioned that you could use it for applying ceramic spray sealants, quick detailers, glass cleaning. It could be used for much, much more. Smooth glide across the panel, cutting back on marring, great for slickness and gloss boost. Proper care, wash separately from other towels, use cold water, avoid fabric softeners, and air dry low heat. So there's 3 in the pack. Nice plush twisted loop with the silk border all the way around the edge. No labels to tear off. Wash them first, and they are ready to go. In for a closer look at the Mr. Twister. There's the silk border. Twisted loop. These can take care of many chores for you. Glass, mirrors, quick and easy, crystal clear, no streaking, no lint. I just need to get the inside yet. Crystal clear. Perfectly fine for the screens of any size on your infotainment center, and also the surrounding black piano finishes, which are soft and scratch easily. Also, instrument cluster. The protective plastic finish on top of them can also scratch and stain easily. And these towels are a great way to clean them and go after them without damaging and scratching. I also really like these for removing polish residue. Very quick, very easy. Then you can move on quickly around the vehicle without streaking or marring the surface once again after it's corrected. Also great at removing paint sealants or a protectant such as 3D epoxy, which is a Montana wax. Once again, quickly and easily getting around the vehicle with no streaks or marring that surface that you just spent so much time correcting. So many more chores that the Mr. Twister can do. I'll let you figure that out. But let's move on to the level 1 towels. Level 1 is a 350 GSM 16 by 16 70/30 blend pearl weave, and this grabs the excess coating, or this would be the first wipe if you're wiping off a coating and then follow up with their final wipe. This, you don't need to have that many microfiber towels. This does both perfectly fine. Excellent towel, and final leveling towels are for smooth and effortless ceramic coating leveling and removing of the transfer solution without marring the surface and making your job quick and easy. So we have a whole stack in here. Edgeless, nice and soft, both sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 towels in a pack. Closer look at the towel. This is the edge here. Let's focus it in. Nice and soft, no stitching. And there is the material. So obviously I like to use these towels when removing a coating. And you can do the step 1 and final leveling and have two different types of towels. No need. This one here does perfectly fine on both chores. And keeps the coating process moving along nice and smoothly. Excellent job, no streaking, doesn't scratch or mar the surface that you just spent all that time correcting. So that's towel 1, and I'll just use the same type of towel from that pack to come in and buff to perfection as your final wiping towel. Looks great. Dripping wet. Let me know what you think down in the comments section. Do you have these towels? How do you enjoy them? Do they hold up? Let us know your experience down in the comment section. I also like these for quick detailers, spray sealants, spray waxes, and toppers as well. Now I can't smell anything, but I've been told it has a pleasant smell. But I can do a designated review of the ceramic spray sealant and the coating, the clean coating as well. Any one of them. If you want me to do that, just let me know down in the comment section and I'll share my experience with you and let you know what I think about them. Lots of companies have towels. There are lots of options out there, and it seems like every couple days, every week or so, every month, there are even more options available. With the price aside, these towels are very, very effective. I like them. They hold up, keep them clean, take care of them properly, and they will serve you and serve their purpose for a long, long time. Let me know what you think about the price of them, and then also the towels themselves if you've used them, and let me know if you want me to kind of share my experience and let you know what I think of the rest of the clean line. This has been Brian from Apex Detail, and I'll catch you in the next video.